It was indeed a quite dramatic and controversial news coming up at Tokyo Olympic 2020 for Indian boxer Mary Kom. The 38 years old put up a brilliant performance against Colombia Ingrid Valencia in her round of 16 class and looked on course of securing quarterfinal berth. However, the judges ruled the decision 3-2 in favor of her opponent, and Mary Kom was knocked out of the event in a controversial manner. Although the entire nation was proud of Mary's performance on Thursday, there was something uncanny about her jersey which caught everyone's attention. The jersey of the boxer neither had her name on it nor had the symbol of Indian flag. While playing in the blue corner, it was quite an odd sight for everyone to see Mary Kom playing the match with a rather blank jersey. As per the report, Mary Kom was asked to change her jersey right before round of 16 bout. She was ready for the bout wearing the blue Indian jersey which had Mary Kom written on it. However, the organizer forced her to change it, as they stated that only the first name of the boxer can be written on the same. With everything happening at the last moment, the Indian boxer had no option but to get into the ring wearing a blank jersey. It must be noted that Mary Kom played her round of 32 class in the red Indian jersey with her full name written behind her back. No one has pointed the issue out to her during that match, which makes the decision of organizer on Thursday slightly baffling to understand. From their action ahead of class to the decision during the match, the 38-year-old was clearly unhappy with the whole management at Tokyo Olympic 2020. Reflecting her frustration at the same, Mary said, "I think it is the worst organized Olympic ever. There is a lot of stuff happening inside, but we were somehow managed despite everything." She also added that the organizer have already stated that they would not be entertaining any protest appeal from anyone, and hence the result would not be overturned, despite the Indian champ believing that Mary had won the match.